Just a quick little update. You can hear her purring away nicely. I just fed her, filled her up with coolant. Ooh, that radiator tank is getting nice and toasty now. Bled all the air out. Got her all together. Still got to put like the seats in and some other stuff like that. But I mean, for now, I think that's about done for it. All the major work, which I'm really glad for. Tomorrow I'll be taking her out for a test drive around the block and driving over to a friend's house to go watch the Bucks play. And yeah, I think that should be all. Just wanted to let you know where I've been. I haven't uploaded it lately. I am starting to sort through some old footage from when I actually got this motor, when I was tearing down the old one, and about the swap in general. So you can also expect that up on the docket. But I do want to hold off. I've been posting a lot of rover-oriented stuff. I do want to get into the shop and start making some more blacksmithing videos to mix in there. Mix it up so it's not all the same stuff all the time. Got all the wires wired in. Tail lights should be working. Well, if I turn on the lights. Turn signals work now. That's all good. Glad I got that done today. I didn't put in the floor panels completely. I've got a few bolts holding them down, but not all the holes want to line up. So I'm going to hold off for a while until I get to work on the bulkhead outriggers. Probably not going to bother putting them in. Do have them all tucked away nice and safe and labeled in respective baggies. So I kicked my jerry can. And those bags are in with the fastenal nuts. So I think tonight, shut her down for now, throw the rest of the seats in, pack up, and I'll be done for today.